Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove border from columns in Apple number sheet. Open an Apple number sheet and click on this Apple number sheet and drag your mouse cursor this column serial number and select multiple column. Now remove this two columns border. Now click on this table format option and select cell option. And here we will find click this border wetness option and scroll your mouse. Here we will find this no border option. Simply select a no border. Sorry, first select all border and select no border. And see this column border now done. Or select this column and click on the serial number and select single column. And same way select all border and select here no border. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.